How to buy Cryptify AI token. So this token came under the symbol of CRAI. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there's referral codes in the description. You can get free money rewards of crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, this token, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. Now, this token, as you can see, it's available on MEXC. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Ethereum network. Now, open your wallet. For this, I will use the Bitkit wallet. Click on wallet here, select the Ethereum as a network, click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet, find your account, find your token that you just added. Just keep scroll down. So this is our token. Click on it. Now after that, click on swap. Switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with. For example, USDT, but make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. And here, type how much you want to buy. And here you will be able to see how much you will receive of that token. After that, it's easy and simple. Click on buy now and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Cryptify AI token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.